students, welcome to your new learning, to your new class. Students, in your previous classes, you might have studied about determiners. In this class, once again, you people are going to cover determiners, which is one of the very important topics from your grammar section. Students, in this video, we are going to discuss about what are determiners, their types, their usage, and other rules related to determiners. So here we go. What are determiners? Determiners are words that introduce a noun and provide some information about it. Students, this particular line to be kept in your mind very nicely, that what are determiners? They are the words that introduce a noun. Means they are the one that they are used before a noun to introduce that and give some information about it. Like the ball, his son, 5 cats, more cars, etc. But yes, you all have to keep one very important note in your mind that determiners are not pronouns. They are different to pronouns, as you know very well that a determiner is used before a noun, whereas a pronoun replaces a noun. Means the word which are used in place of noun is called pronoun. So here we need to be very clear that pronouns are not determiners. If I talk about the types, yes students, they are divided into different types like the articles, demonstrative, possessives, quantifiers, numerals, ordinal and cardinals, interrogatives and distributives. I have given you people the keywords for these in the opposite section. Go with the table and learn them by heart. Yes students, for your convenience I have given once again a table of example. As you people can see that it is divided into 3 different forms, whereas the types are also given over here. The types, their example, determiner, modifier and noun completes a sentence. Go with the table, so keep them in your registers as well. Let's start with the very first style. That is exactly article, or we call them articles. Articles are divided into 2 parts, definite and indefinite. So if we talk about indefinite, they are an and a. An with singular noun beginning with a vowel, whereas a with a singular noun beginning with a consonant. The is used with singular and plural but with a specific one. Once again, I have given one more example to you people to make it very clear. As you can see that in 2 examples, one is given a thief and second is definite where it's given the thief. The difference is this, that indefinite articles means a and a talks about non-specific things like the general things, whereas the definite articles always talks about something which is a specific and unique in itself. If we go to our next style, the next style is called demonstrative. Demonstrative means demonstrating something. So here we have to keep one thing in mind, that demonstrative determiners are also called demonstrative adjectives. So here they are used for the places, is that thing clean, near or far, this, that, these, those are the keywords used basically over here. Next is possessives. Yes students, I have shown you people a table over here which is very clearly reflecting the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Yes students, pronouns are, as I've said in the beginning only, are not determiners, whereas possessive adjective is exactly the possessive determiner like my, your, his, her, its, our, yours and theirs. If we go to my next one, that is calling or telling you about quantifiers. And now you know very well that what are quantifiers? The one that talks about the quantity. If I talk to you people in simple language, and the question which always give us the answer over here are how many, how much the thing is, and the very common keywords used over here are a, little, much, many, more, etc. Yes, students, as I've said to you people, the next is numeral. Numeral is also divided into two parts, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal numerals means when we talk about 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 30 and all that. But the ordinal numbers are like 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 8th, 9th, 10th and all that. Like I saw 2 donkeys and rest is given in the picture. Yes, students. Next is called distributive. As you people get to know from here only, distributive means when we divide something, when we distribute something among groups or as an individuals. So they are the one, basically they are used for distribution of something, and the words that reflect them are each, every, either, neither, each, any, many and all that. If we go to our next one, it is called interrogative determiners. If I tell you people in easy language, interrogative determiners are also called in other language interrogative adjectives. Interrogative determiners are used before nouns to ask the questions related to the noun. Like if we take the words, they are what, which, whose and all that. And the example is what's your name, what time is it, whose dog is barking in, all that. Yes, we have come to the end of our video lecture today. As in this video lecture, once again I have given this time to my students 3 different exercises based on determiners. Whatever examples that we have read and understood in the previous slides, hope you all are going to evaluate them once again and see them how to use and solve this exercise in wonderful manner. This is fill in the blanks. My next one is finding the errors. If you detect the error anywhere in these sentences, you have to just underline and write the answer in front of the sentence given. It can be a word which is missing, it can be a word which can be replaced or omitted, it can be an editing. So you have to go with everything in this particular exercise with a nice understanding. My next exercise is a very familiar one to you people. It is called editing. Yes, students, in the editing section, as I have already taught you people, or you people have already studied in class 9th, that what our editing means, you are supposed to find out an error and correct that with a correct answer. So in this particular exercise, you people have got the correction with determiners. So you have to do the correction with determiners. Go with each and every line of this particular exercise. Hope you all are going to write down wonderful exercises, wonderful answers. Keep the rules in your mind very nicely. Don't forget whatever is told and instructed to you people in the previous slides. Keep all the types, all the rules in your mind. Hope you all are going to write all the exercises in your registers in a wonderful manner. Thank you so much. Keep working hard, do well and do the best. Thank you so much. Thank you.